social worker, paano naton matap na ining nasambit ka mga discrimination?
Of course, no? Sige. So, actually, nakita ko tong gi-share mo last time, no? Habang bumira about, syempre, no? Kaya kita, Abi, mahilig kita magsulod sa mga trends. Kung ano makita kita, sundin natin. Pero siguro, dapat lang tawon natin ano ang implications sa mga trends nga ina. Kaya, syempre, siguro ang iba, they mean no harm naman, no? They mean no harm. Pero, syempre, amo ganyan ginhambal natin, think before you click, gid. Think before you click, gid. So siguro na when it comes to that discrimination about ang isa sa makita nato there's really a discrimination. And take note, pag may discrimination, it would really violate their human rights. Kaya of course in social work profession, we would really value the human rights and dignity of the people. So kung parehas sina, no, like kung amo na ginahimo ta like na maginapa sa ano ta dira nga somehow na ma-costume naton, it would try to create some stereotyping. Yes. Or maybe mockery, for example. So we need to be very careful kay basi bala it will destroy the cultural identity ba sang taong ina, no? So very important gid nga ang tawag nga awareness and education. So dili naman siguro bombomira na very important gid ang goal sang schools, sang communities nga dapat tudloan nila ang tawo how to respect cultural diversity. And at the same time, ikaw mismo, you need to be sensitive. Very important gid ang social awareness natin, no? Amo gani hambal nila, no? Ignorance of the law excuses no one. So norm lang man ina siya, pero syempre very important gid nga aware ka sa norm. Kaysa social work profession, Abi, bombomira, may ara kita ginatawag nga deviance. So pag ang tao mag-deviate, kumbaga wala ka naga-conform sa norms ng society, matawag ikaw nga deviant. So, ang mga gaamo sina, so you might consider them as deviant. Pero again, we also believe that every person can change and want change. So, ang himuon ta dira siguro is to educate people, no? Educate people. Kay, syempre, balanta ang tama. So, we will correct them, but at the same time, hindi naman siguro natin kailangan palawigon pa nga mag-away-away na kita. So, we can educate other people, but at the same time, in a manner of kumbaga in a respectable manner man gyapon. So do amo nang very important dira. Okay. Bombome.
So sa reality abikis ma'am, ang iban unaware. Ang kadaman is aware but they are normalizing it.
Tama gid ikaw. Amo paginang do kalain lang no kay aware naman sila pero syempre kay trend gani 'di ba? They will himuon lang ina nila. So very important gid dapat ang aton nga self-awareness